Okay, today you are all going to be challenged to be creative and create a GIF that we can post to our STEM page. So this should be a fun activity. Valentine or STEM themed is fine. We're going to use a really easy site called Giphy. There are multiple places you can go to make your own GIF, and actually on the Macs you can just use Windows Media Player. So there's lots of options, but this is the one I'm going to show you today. Once you get onto Giphy, you're going to say Create. Okay, and so once you're in, you can either choose a photo or a GIF. So you can have multiple images if you want to make a photo, or choose a video. You can make your own video, like for example, if you have a very animated face, sometimes you taking your own videos of yourself is the best way to go here. Or you can choose a video. They support anything off of YouTube, okay? And so being old school, I went to YouTube and I was looking at different friends' videos. Now do know, if you choose a video off of YouTube, it needs to be shorter than 15 minutes in length. That being said, once you find one, you just copy the URL for the whole video, you take it back to Giphy, and you just put that right in here, and they'll pull up the video for you. Once it's pulled up, you need to know where you're hoping to have it begin and how long you want it to go for. So I don't want mine to be 4 seconds. I know that for sure. It's more like 1.2 seconds. And I want it to start at 2 something. So I need to find my starting spot. So once you find your spot, mine was 2:02 and I want it for 1.3 seconds, you just say continue to decorate and it'll take you to the next step. Once you're ready to decorate, it gives you the opportunity to enter your caption. So when you realize you present to the administration in 5 minutes. Okay, so something that correlates, you think, well with STEM or Valentine's Day is totally fine. Whatever you would like. You can change the color of your GIF text. You can change the font style. So go to town with that. Make sure that it's easy to read though. If I can't read it, that will lower your score on it. You can animate your text. You by no means have to. And once you're done, you just say continue to upload. So pretty simple. And so here's your source URL. And so you can copy that. Command copy. You can give it tags like running late, things like that, and then you say upload to Giphy. Okay, so once you upload it to Giphy, it's going to create the actual final version of your GIF. So now it is here, and notice you have lots of different ways you can share it. You can favorite, you can copy your link, you can share it on media, you can embed it. So the copy link is where we're going to utilize it. The next thing you have to do is you're going to go to your 2019 STEM page, our school page. And on your pictures page, notice it's blank. That's because I've failed as your teacher and have not put anything on here. So let's fill it full of GIFs. In order to do that, when you go to 2019 STEM, it'll probably take you home. You're going to click on the pictures tab and you're going to want to say embed. So when you say embed, remember that URL we copied? You click that and it should, oh, wrong, just kidding. You'll have to go back to GIF Maker if that happened to you as well. So you'll come here and you're going to use that GIF link that's right here. Command copy, okay? Link copied to clipboard. This time I know it worked. So I'll come here and I'll say command paste, and I should know it worked because it'll pop up on here. I would say insert, and ta-da! It is in there. Now I can change some things, like I can give it the emphasis 2 to make sure that it matches the rest of our STEM page with the yellow background. And then that's really all you're required to do on here. The last thing you're required to do, of course, is to turn in this assignment and attach your GIF using this link here. Okay, so have fun, be creative. I look forward to seeing what you create.